Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and giving the likes. This video is regarding my tripod. This is the tripod which I used to use, but the thing is that it had a ball, this ball inside the tripod, and I could have moved this. But the thing is that it got broken. So what I have done is I have removed this ball and install a screw inside it. So what I can do is I can use this mobile mount and fix this over here and do the shooting. I have not spent any much more money on that. If you want to buy a new one, I had to spend 120 or 150, but instead of that, what I've done is I went to the local hardware store. I got this screw which could fit into this mount, this threading, and I fixed it inside and did the M seal. You can see this. I've put the M seal inside, and just to give it a proper show, or you can say अच्छा दिखने के लिए, I put this rubber cap. So if I mount anything over here like this, see this, you can mount your mobile over here and do the shooting. So let's start. I'll be showing in detail how I did. Hope so guys you like my video how to fix a broken tripod. I thought to make a video so that it can help someone else to fix his tripod. Till then, bye for now. Always wear helmet, drive safe, eat clean, stay